Set right now. We're filming a bunch of new makeup tutorials for our new collections, but today I look super pale and dull, so I want to make myself super tan and vibrant, and so get ready with me and watch how I do it. All right, so now let's get bronze. This is the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. I'm gonna mix actually two shades. I'm gonna use medium and light medium. The lights are super strong, so they're gonna pale me out a bit. So don't be too precise with this. I'm just going on really quickly to do a layer of this bronzing, and I'm gonna go over it with a little bit of concealer and foundation and perfect it. And don't forget to hit the neck. Okay, Surreal Skin Foundation. I'm using 17N. This is darker than my skin, but again, we're going very tan today, so I'm just gonna use about half a pump using my new F4 brush. And I'm only using the tiniest bit on the brush and starting out right here in the center and sort of blending it out into the edges. So I'm not gonna go all the way to the edges because I've already put that enhancer there, so that's gonna give me some blurring properties. It's gonna even out my skin, so it's not necessary to layer too many products there. So just the tiniest bit of this foundation, blending it into that enhancer. And don't forget to hit the neck as well. Next up, a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna actually mix my Coral blush. This is a cream blush, and I'm gonna mix this with concealer just so that it has, it corrects really nicely. It's a little tip that I do for correcting and for brightening. I can't share what the concealer is yet, I'm sorry. It's a lab sample, but soon. So I'm just mixing those two together now. And just applying that concealer right under the eyes, right here where the shadows are, and that's going to color correct. That's going to brighten, it's going to awaken, and it's going to conceal. And then just flipping this over and blending it out. And then I like to go in with my fingers just to kind of pat it in. I'm doing it on myself and warm it up. All right, next step is translucent powder, and I'm being pretty generous with this again because I'm going on camera, so light is going to really absorb. So I'm just kind of setting my entire face with this before I go on with a powder bronzer. Okay, now bronzer time, my favorite. I'm using Soft Sculpt bronzer in light, medium, and medium. I'm just mixing the two with my bronzer brush, and I'm just going to hit everywhere that I hit that enhancer when I first started. It's going to lock everything in. It's going to further bronze and define the skin with a beautiful soft matte finish that looks beautiful in real life and on camera. And that is it, you guys. Super quick and easy. I hope you liked it.